back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It's Jay back again with another video for y'all. So I am in the car outside of the wax place. If you haven't read that title already, this is going to be a maintenance vlog for Valentine's Day. As you guys can see, I'm rocking my pink real early, bright and early. So yeah, it's the beginning of February and I'm about to get waxed because I have like a lot of stuff coming up, like with photo shoots and stuff. So I need to get the girl right down here. So we are about to get waxed and then we are meeting up with Gims to do a little bit of galentines, like self-care. So we're going to get our toes done. So I'm really excited about that. I haven't got my feet done in forever. It's real bad out here. So yeah, let me go ahead and go inside because I'm actually like 15 minutes late. Y'all know I'm never on time. It was traffic, girl. Like, it's just a lot going on. So yeah, but luckily it's like empty. So I feel like they was waiting for me to come, respectfully. But yeah, so let me go ahead and go inside of the wax place. I love it in here. It's real cute, girly, and pink. So it just sets off the vibes for this Valentine's Day maintenance vlog. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the wax place. Okay, so we are back from the waxing place and I'm actually on my way to my toe appointment. Gim is in the car with me. Yeah, Gim hopped in the car with me and we are on our way. That's how they drive in Atlanta, girl. Wild. But yeah, we're on our way to our toe appointment in this rain. It's a very much rainy day, but we're making the most of it. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get to the nail shop because I'm driving, obviously. Okay, so the girls are getting their nails and toes done. Very much in the chair. Okay, Gim. Gim's getting her nails done. I'm about to get mine done in a second. Thank you.
Here comes the wine.
We got wine. Oh, cup holders. Wow. They have cup holders. That's crazy. But we got wine now.
waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's unreal, baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times.
So we just got done getting our nails and toes done. I'm gonna show you guys me and Gim's nails. I forgot to show you guys while we were inside, but these are mine and these are Gim's. Gotta get the details. Yeah.
How do I do this?
But yeah, we're very much cute now. And I got my eyebrows fixed up and everything. Like, she's all waxed and she's all glistening and she's all ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Camera ready. Stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready, period. Okay, so now we're trying to figure out what we're about to eat. I slick feel like I need to go change because Gim is way cuter than me. So it depends on where we're going. Because my house down the street, so I think I'm going to go change. And then we're going to go get some food because I'm hungry. And yeah, that's pretty much the vibes for tonight. I'm so excited. Like, I just feel like a whole new person. Like, nails done, feet done, waxed, eyebrows done. Like, what is we talking about? We're about to figure out what to eat, and I will update you guys once we get there. Okay, so after a quick little outfit change, we are going to get some food. We tried to get an Uber, but they was talking about 20 minutes wait, and we hungry. We hungry now. The place is only 20 minutes away, so if we would have waited for the Uber, it would have been a whole hour. So we're about to go get something to eat, and I will show you guys what the place is looking like, because I've never been. But all the YouTube girlies be going to OSHA, so I'm very excited to see what it's talking about. I'll pick the camera back up once we get there. Okay, so we are about to go into the OSHA Thai place. I'm excited. I'm trying to smuggle my camera in because I don't know if they have any of those like weird, you can't record laws or whatever. Certain places do, certain places don't. It's real weird out here, but we're looking for it. I think we have to go out the door. It's always such an adventure with this. We just never know what we're doing. Never know where we're going.
I know how to read the time, so if you lie, I know what you.
So you just eat it? Like you bite it?
Yeah, I think they eat it with their hands though, but go ahead, sister.
Oh, I just got my nails. So you just eat it?
Yeah, like this. What do you think?
What? That's the
Why
green
did you
meat.
make a face?
It's just the green meat with seasoning on it.
So you don't be
Just
nervous.
go, baby.
You gotta be nervous to taste.
I don't think you eat it hard.
Okay, so we just finished eating and everything was A1. I am so fed. I'm very much a happy girl. and we're about to go to this ice cream shop, but I need a minute because like I'm so full. So yeah, next we're gonna go to this really cute and girly ice cream spot, and I'm super excited. Y'all know I love me some chocolate.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge.
The thing that makes me what the guys go crazy for. They lose their minds to where you want.
Okay, babies, so that is the end of this day of maintenance for Valentine's Day. We had a really nice day, if you guys can't tell, but we had a very nice day today. And it doesn't stop here because I still have to get my hair done. I have a hair appointment on Tuesday because we have an upcoming photo shoot, so that will probably be in a different vlog. But lots of Valentine's Day content. I had a lovely day with my bestie, and you guys saw what she gifted me. Like, I didn't expect that at all. I love like little gifts. Like, I just love when people are thinking about me. Like, if you get me a little something, or if you're in the store and you're like, I saw this and I thought of you, like, that literally melts my heart, because like, to know I'm on your mind and you thought of me and you got me something, like, oh my gosh. So yeah, she got me something. I'm super excited. Like, it's so cute. I can't wait to eat all the candy inside of it. But yeah, today was like super nice, and that is the end of today for maintenance. We got our brows done, nails, toes, wax, all of that. Like, all of that's done. And so we have hair next, and yeah. So yeah, we're just getting very much cute and very much back on track, trying to get maintenance or whatever, so we can be, you know, a pretty girl. I feel like a pretty girl. Like, I feel very much put together now. Like, I did not feel put together. I did not feel like my best self. So I feel so much better, like, about myself inside and out. And I just had a really lovely day with my friend. We love just going to new places that we've never been before, and the ice cream place was lit. Asha, or Oshawa, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, or Osha. The Thai place we went to was really good. Like, we've never been before, but it was a really nice experience. So yeah, I'll pick the camera up again once we are on the way to get our hair done. Okay, babies, it is a whole new day. This is like the best angle for lighting, but yeah, it's a whole new day and I'm looking a little crazy. I don't know if y'all can see my hair. It's all like crazy and whatnot because we're on the way to actually go get our hair done. I'm kind of trying to like beat the clock because she got like a after 10 minutes you're getting charged policy, and yeah, no. So I'm on my way to get my hair done and I'm super nervous but excited. I'm excited to not have to do my hair myself, but I'm really nervous because it's a bob, and y'all know I don't typically do short hair, so I'm very nervous about a short bob. But I want to do something different, and I just feel like bobs just give boss bitch. I don't know, like something about a bob, like you have to have confidence to have short hair. I feel like you have to have a lot of confidence to rock short hair, because in society, like, you know, long hair is for women, short hair is for men or whatever. But yeah, I'm definitely about to rock me a bob and try something new and give boss bitch. So I'm on my way to my appointment as we speak, trying to figure out where it is. So I will see you guys, I guess, once I get in the chair. I'm in love. I was very nervous, but why? Because I don't usually do short hair, so I was very nervous about that. Thanks.
I like it. I wasn't expecting this at this very moment. I really wasn't.
You did it?
I didn't expect. I completely forgot that you gave me a girl done today. So like, you were calling out. I was like, oh, baby calling me, but I just like taken it back. Like, oh.
Yeah, girl. This is why I was calling. Got their hair done. Period.